Hardest part about building a PC? For me, it used to be putting in the motherboard IO shield and aligning it with the standoffs. But those days are gone to something much worse. Cable management. Oh my god, is this a pain. Sometimes it just makes me want to shove the cables back there as fast as possible. I mean, seriously, how many times do you have to daisy chain something with all this RGB? It makes my brain hurt so much. Oh my god. So what's the hardest part about building a PC for you? Comment to let me know. For more awesome content, check out youtube.com/Beezito.